Everyone, it is Friday night. I have my Invisalign in. I always tell you guys because it makes me have a huge list. I just got back from eating dinner. I actually worked all day. I woke up pretty late, but I went to bed pretty late. I did CNC, which has been so much work. And then, well, I make that face, but like I love it, so it's not even a lot of work. I got ready, I filmed my luxury dupe video, and then I had to take some pictures for a collab I'm doing with Estee Lauder, which I might touch on a little bit because I never do collabs. You guys know I never do collabs. A little bit of an update. I didn't actually lose my license yet. I postponed the ticket until for a year and a half. And then I'll keep you updated in a year and a half on how that goes. So I didn't actually lose my license yet, but it was a possibility. I'm in the middle of cleaning my room. You guys know I feel like once in every vlog, I'm always like, I'm cleaning my room, and I show you the mess. Well, it's that time of the week. I just cleaned downstairs, and now I'm working on my room because I got so much new stuff. Like this place is just not big enough because I get new stuff all the time. I'm working on so many fall lookbooks. I want to kind of do one fall lookbook a week just so you guys have new outfit inspiration every week, or like outfit of the week's video. But I'd rather do a lookbook because I don't get dressed every day, so it would be easier if I just filmed like 5 outfits and uploaded it like every Friday or something. Let me know if you'd want me to do that, because I have too much clothes and I need to put them to use. Like I always make the excuse like I'm buying stuff for YouTube. But in reality, I'm just buying it because I want it. I'm wearing my Tommy Hilfiger top that I thrifted. I really try to stress the point that I actually wear the stuff that I buy, because I feel like in this day and age, or this YouTube climate, people don't trust YouTubers. Am I the only one who feels that way? Like, people will show things on YouTube and I'll be like, do you really use that though? Do you really wear that though? So I'm trying to make it a point to like actually show you guys that I genuinely wear it. I wore this in New York City. I wore it the entire way there. I wore it too when I got my facial before. Like, I love this top, and it was $4. Taco is obsessed with chewing brushes. I got a haircut. A lot of you guys were asking what his name was. His name is Falco, after a character in Smash. I did not have anything to do with the naming of this child of mine, but he's super cute. He was supposed to be... He just jumped out of my arms. He was supposed to be mini, but he's not. Sweet flex leggings on. I feel underdressed, surprisingly, for going on a hike. Oh, the little bridges. Look at that. We actually need to hike. Told me that it was once a potato field. It's an urban legend. And he turned all his potatoes into rocks. To the top. Oh my god, there's bugs everywhere. Seeing this makes me so happy. I know. Fun. And all of this, like, it's one of us to the oh, tell me, this reminds me of you as a kid. You know the picture of you looking like a devil that we always say is the devil picture of you? Yeah. This is like your face in that picture. Oh my god, I thought you were talking about the skeleton. No, I'm in the state right now. I'm looking very rough. I'm redoing my office, and I thought I would vlog that also. Because right now my office is kind of small, although we don't need a ton of space. I wanted to get a better working station, a better organization system. So I wanted to redo my office, so that's gonna probably take me all day long, which you guys know I love redecorating. Oh, last night we were on the radio. The radio is so much more nerve-wracking because you cannot edit anything. Like, you're just, what you say is what you get. Like, I don't even, the people who do the radio, those people, I applaud them, because you have to be like perfect. You can't go back and take stuff out or add stuff in. Okay, so I'm starting to put it together. I have this done. And now I'm just working on this. It works so much faster. This is the first time I'm using a drill to put it together, and it's so much easier than having to hand screw everything. But yeah, this is going to be the drawer system. So it is Wednesday? Yes, it's Wednesday today. Hi. He was just going for a very intense nap in my closet, which is an absolute mess. I will not show anyone. Oh, by the way, I took my hair extensions out, which I'm kind of feeling. I'm feeling like this shorter hair. I redid my office yesterday. I don't know why on Monday I suddenly got this urge to do my office, and well, our office for CNC. And so I did that. So I'm going to be doing an office tour later. Finally, you guys can see my office, because I was never really like happy with my office, but now I'm really happy with with it and inspired. If you're wondering why my pictures are on there, it's because I put them in my office to like kind of test it out and fill up the space, but I do have new prints and pictures coming, so that's why they're gone from above my bed. But Allie and I are going to go today to the mall. She has to go to for a few things, and I wanted to go to pick up like an iMac computer. Allie and I have been working off our laptops since we started CNC because we didn't really have room for a computer. We didn't really see the need for one, but I want to get one to have like just stay in the office for when she comes over to work, and then also I want to edit on it because I want to like upgrade to Final Cut Pro, but it seems so hard to get to know how to do that and how to use that, but I'm gonna take the time and learn. I also think it's just gonna be better, more like professional, I guess. I don't know. And I also just want a new computer. So we're gonna go do that today if she can ever get up and get ready. She's answering emails now. For my jewelry, you guys, all like we are almost sold out of the falling star necklace. Ever since I put it on Monday, I haven't taken it off. You guys, I think you guys kind of forgot about this because I think this was in 2 collections ago, but we still have it online. We have it in gold and silver. And then today I'm wearing the Lisbon earrings, which are just like the small gold hoops. These are like perfect for every day. So yeah, my outfit today is just this Tommy Hilfiger top that I thrifted a few videos back. I'm planning on doing another thrift store video next week, I think. This week is just way too busy. This weekend we have the Monkland Street Festival. We're like going for a Signet, which is going to be really fun. And then, well, that's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you want to hit up the Monkland Street Festival, we are going to be there. Allie, myself, and Michelle are going to be there. However, I'm not going to be there on Saturday just because I have a wedding on Saturday, but Allie and Michelle are going to be there this Saturday. These are my wedgie fit jeans from my last haul, which you guys also really loved. I tried to link them, but the Levi's site is down. Because I'm waiting for Allie to be ready, ooh, that's weird looking. It's pan marks. I thought I would make lunch. I have a piece of Ezekiel bread with some guacamole and 1 egg. This is my favorite mall in all of Montreal. Mom's computer. And now we're in Sephora. I'm definitely ordering this one. They have their sale starting Friday. That I don't love. Everyone loves this, so I wanted to test it out and see what it was because everyone talks so much about this. It's really good. If you want, this is how they're very thick, like so thick. I might get one during the sesame sale that Sephora is doing to save their store. Anyways, this looks cheap. I find it looks cheap. Yes, it looks a lot like It Cosmetics. It reminds me of Sunday Riley, and I feel like it'll probably be what I expected the Sunday Riley influence. Alright, we are in our new, well, old but new office. I'm about to unbox everything, and then I'm going to give you a tour of everything and do a little rundown. I'm sorry the lighting isn't the best. This is a Mac, and this is where it's going to go. So I just basically got the regular iMac in the 21.5-inch display just because the 27-inch, I don't need it, first of all. Second of all, it's huge. So we've taken it to the ground. There's this like little pull thing. I used to watch unboxings of like computers all the time. Was I weird? Was I the only one? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know why I always find this so satisfying when you get something new. I've actually wanted a Mac computer for so long like this, and I finally got one for editing and all that, so I'm so excited. I feel like a big grown-up. It's very well packaged, I can tell you that much. This is very satisfying. Like, Apple has their packaging down. It's very minimal. There's not like extra stuff. It's exactly what I like. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I love getting new gadgets. They don't mess around with their plastic, huh? Okay, so the last time I had a desktop computer was at my old house, like years and years ago. And it was the ones that had the huge base. And to me, it's insane that this is all that there is. There's no body of the computer. It's all in that. Like, so that's insane because all the computers I had this, like desktops before this, were HPs, and they had that huge whole computer. Like, it's just crazy to me that literally only this is the computer. There's nothing else. Why do they give you a phone charger? I'm lost. Guys, the moment you've all been waiting for, finally an office tour. Just have to say, it's not completely done yet. The pictures, if you remember from my room, Bougie on a Budget room edition, these are from my bedroom. And I'm waiting for the ones that I ordered for this to come in. I'm not doing 2 big ones, I'm doing 3 small ones, and I will be hanging them on the wall so you'll be able to see them better. They're gonna be higher, not like covered by the computer. So that's the only difference, but they are on the same color scheme. Like I said, the pictures will be hung up on the wall, not these exact ones, 3 smaller ones. So yeah, I wanted to just give you guys an idea of a super affordable way to make an area. I didn't want to spend too much money on my office. Like I want to spend as little as possible, but I wanted to be very efficient and very productive. So everything here is from IKEA. You guys know everyone has this little system, drawer system. I don't know the exact price. I think this was maybe $60 or $60 to $100, that drawer system. And what's really cool is that you can mix and match different length of tables. These I think are the smallest one. Each tabletop is $8, so I got 2 of them. I think the next size up is $17, but this one's $8. And then you can pick how many legs you want. So on this side I have 2, obviously, and on this side I have 2. And then instead of getting 2 legs here, I just rested it on the drawer system. It's gonna bother me if it's not in the middle. And it worked really well. I wanted a divider between the 2 desks, so that was perfect. If you just wanted to buy the table with 4 legs, it comes out to $24. Then I got 2 chairs. So these chairs are also from IKEA. They are $29. They're very basic. You can see what they look like without. They're also really cute just without, but I thought that the fur added a little bit extra to the chair. I got this lamp, which I don't have a light bulb in yet. It's just a silver lamp, which I thought was really pretty. I need a type B light, so I don't have any in there just yet. So I got the 2 desks, the drawer system, the 2 chairs, and the light. And then, like I said, those pictures are from Society 6. I will, if I remember, I will link them down below. If not, someone leave a comment screaming at me. It's going to be like my editing, and then also like order processing, order printing, all of that kind of stuff. This light originally had a gray lampshade on it. It was in my old office, and I just went to Walmart and got a black lampshade. You can see the picture decor and everything's like my bedroom, so I got a black lampshade. I really wanted to go with a blush pink theme, so this is from Structube. I'm obsessed with this color tone. Structube has really affordable vases or vases and flowers. This candle was $12. I didn't get it to burn it. I don't plan on burning it. I just really like the color of it. This was $9. This one was $15, and each flower was $5, but they feel and look so real. Like, they don't look like fake flowers. Then I have my agenda, so that's number 1. And then in the middle here we have my label maker for orders, and then these are just some extra pieces, like in case we make too much, or like a lot of those we don't even sell anymore. They're just like random pieces. So then in these drawers we just have all our stuff. I'm not going to go through all of them, but like in this drawer we have all of our chains and everything. What else? Okay, so I have my bag there because I have nowhere to put it, but it doesn't obviously normally stay there. These rugs, this is actually supposed to be 1 rug from Walmart that I cut in half. The only bad part is that on the side I cut, it's kind of shedding. Like, you can see it more on this side. It's like kind of shutting off, so I need to like go with the vacuum along it and like pick up all the hair that's cut off. So this mat is what we use to make the jewelry, the order cards, the ribbon, the pens. Those are our stickers. Up here, this was what was holding chain before, and I have no use for it now, so I just put envelopes in there. A lot of the stuff that was on our old desk is now in there. Then we also have this side, which is kind of just for storage and also for decoration. On the top we have our bags from, honestly, my mom put those there and I don't have the heart to move them. On this side, under here, this is actually a package for Alex Santomo. It's Signet phone cases. In the back, that's like a jewelry picture photo thing. Some more pieces, file folder, my bag, a cute little thing my best friend got me, another file folder, some more jewelry. These are just like extra pieces. Sewing machine with some more phone cases. The Signet office is not at my house, it's at Allie's house, so that's why I only have a few scattered. And then more envelopes. Normally I'll put out this much for this week's orders, and then I have a whole like closet filled with envelopes, but that's for this week's orders. Because we make our jewelry, we don't need a lot of space for inventory because, like I said, we make all of it ourselves. So yeah, that is our office. Everything's really affordable. I can't wait to put the pictures on the wall and get all that in. The pictures, like I said, are the same tone as that, so it's gonna go super well. Anyways, you guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope this gave you some inspo for your home office or your regular office. I tried to make do with the little space that I had because I don't have a lot of room for my office, but you know, I'm lucky that I don't need too much room. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Ooh, my phone just vibrated. And I will see you guys back here on Friday.